I'm often vulnerable. I'm fighting stably of hopes. I wash my face with the tears. I want to find a peacefulness. Yes, just you know every my step, and you see every my corner. You know what is in my heart. What do I desire the most? Have got my home for you. Your swords and battles in me. I'm always drowning to you. I'm hiding disappointed face. The furrows are on my heart. I desire to fly away from man, far away from sorrowful wilds, under your wings to hide. Not even escape to loneliness, not even sea of tears pearly out cannot make up for me what I have for you. When I raise my face to you, when I instinct with the stars,